Exercise number 5, a miscellaneous exercise, a last exercise of this chapter. Evaluate I raised to 18 plus 1 upon I raised to 25 raised to cube. Okay, that means we have to convert it into general form of complex number a plus bi, otherwise x plus iy form. It is called evaluate. Very simple. I raised to 18, that means I square raised to 9 plus I, a denominator I has a 1 power. 1 is an odd number, therefore multiply and divided by I. When denominator is a odd power of I, again I will repeat, when denominator is a odd power of I, then multiply and divided by I. Then I to multiply, I to divided, raised to 25 whole raised to cube. Isn't it? Okay, now we know that I square equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 9. I square equal to minus 1 raised to 25 whole raised to cube. Minus 1 raised to 9 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 9 equal to minus 1. I raised to 25. Minus 1 raised to 25 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to odd power, it is minus, let minus here. And I raised to 25. Okay. Now, this is minus 1. I raised to square into 12 into I raised to cube. 12 to 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Minus 1. I square equal to minus 1 raised to 12 into I cube. Minus 1 raised to 12 equal to plus 1. So minus 1, this is plus 1. This portion is plus 1 and minus I cube. Let minus be outside. Minus 1 plus I cube. Now give simplification. A plus b whole cube. We know that a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to I. A equal to 1, b equal to I. Replace a, put 1 into 1 into I. 3 into 1 into I square I cube. Now this is equal to minus 1 plus 3i. I square equal to minus 1. Minus 3. I square equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 equal to minus 3. I cube equal to I square into I minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 3i. I square equal to minus 1 and I. Now therefore minus 2 plus 2i. Let 2 be a common boy. So minus 2, otherwise let minus 2 be a common. Let minus 2 be a common. This is plus 1. This is minus 1. This is the final answer. 2, 1 minus I. Otherwise 2 minus 2i. Both are correct. Very easy, sir. Superb sum number 2. Real Z1 Z2 equal to real Z1 real Z2 minus imaginary Z1 into imaginary Z2. Let me explain one point. Let Z1 equal to x1 plus iy1. This is the complex number. Say this is real part, say this is imaginary part. Therefore, real Z1 equal to x1 and this is imaginary part. Therefore, imaginary Z1 equal to y1. Very simple. A real part and imaginary part, let's separate. Z2 equal to x2 plus iy2. Real Z2 equal to x2 and imaginary z2 equal to y2. Okay, this is the real part of complex number. That's why this is called real z2. This is imaginary part, not I. Not I. We cannot take here I, only y2. Okay. Now we have to find out z1, z2 and its real part. z1, z2. z1 is this, z2 is this, multiple of this. z1, z2 means product of z1 and z2. x1 plus iy1, x2 plus iy2. Let product. Therefore x1, x2, x1, y2 plus y1, x2 plus I into I square. Okay. Therefore x1, x2, I be a common. x1, y2, y1, x2 and I square equal to minus 1. Therefore minus y1, y2. Okay. Minus y1, y2. Let x1, x2 minus y1, y2 plus I x1, y2 plus y1, x2. Okay. This is z1, z2. z1 is a complex number. z2 is a complex number. Then its product is also a complex number. Be careful. Two complex number product is always a complex number. Okay. Therefore z1, z2 is a complex number. If it is a complex number, that means it has a real part and it has an imaginary part. Therefore real part of z1, z2. I want to find out real part of z1, z2. Therefore real part of z1, z2 is this. This is imaginary part. But I require only real part. That's why I am neglect imaginary part. Now let real z1, z2. Real z1, z2 is this part. x1, x2 minus 1. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. But I require only real part. Therefore this one is acceptable. I don't want to this one. That's why it will be neglectable. But x1 equal to what? x1 equal to real z1. x1 equal to real z1. x2 equal to real z2. Minus y1. y1 means imaginary z1. And y2 means imaginary z2. This is your RHS. This is your RHS. I require this one. One type of theoretical example, but it is very nice, and I like it. And in this example, we study a new point. x1, that means a real part, means x is a real part and y be an imaginary part of a complex number. Be careful about this one. Let number 3, example number 3, convert into standard form. This is to given us. Okay. Let cross multiplication. 1 plus I minus 2 minus minus plus 8i. Product between these two. 1 minus 4i, 1 plus I. 3 minus 4i, 5 plus I. Don't disturb this one. Don't disturb this part. 1 minus 2 minus 8i plus I, 9i. Multiply. 1 minus 4i, 1 minus 4i, I minus 4i square. 3 minus 4i, 5 plus I. Okay? Now give simplification. Minus 1 plus 9i. I square equal to minus 1. I square equal to minus 1. That's why 1 minus 3. I square equal to minus 1 minus minus plus 4. product is 3 minus 4i, okay, minus 1 plus 9i, 4 plus 1 5, again multiply, okay, numerator multiply with numerator, minus 3 plus 4i, 9 3s are 27i, minus 9 4s are 36i square, divided by 5 5s are 25, plus 5i, minus 15i, and minus 3i square. Okay, now give you simplification. Minus 3, 27 plus 4, 31i, I square equal to minus 1, 36, 25, 5i minus 15i, minus 10i, I square equal to minus 1, that's why 3, 36 minus 3, 33, plus 31i, 20 plus 25 plus 3. Okay, now give simplification of this one, it gives you a correct answer. And mathematics rule is denominator never be a complex number, denominator never be a complex number. That's why we have to remove this part. 33 plus 31i, 33 plus 31i divided by 28 minus 10i. Okay, now let a complex number conjugate of denominator 28 plus 10i, 8 plus 10i. A basic rule of mathematics, if numerator and denominator both are given, then denominator not be a complex number. Therefore we have to remove a denominator. Now 33 into 28, 33 into 28, okay, 33 into 28 equal to 924 plus 33 0i, 31 into 28, 31 into 28, it gives 868i plus this one multiply 310i square divided by a minus b and a plus b. A minus b means 28 into 28. 28 into 28 square is equal to 784 minus 100i square. Now this is equal to 330 plus 868. It gives 1198i plus this is minus addition of these two and 924 divided by 784 I square equal to minus 1 equal to 100, isn't it? I square equal to minus 1, that's why this is become a positive. Okay, 924 minus 310, it gives 614 plus 1198i, and this is 884. Therefore 614, let's separate, upon 884 plus 1198 upon 884i. Okay, now divided by 2, this is divided by 2, that's why this is 442, this is 307, that's why 307 442 plus 442 594 442i. Okay, if I got any mistake then please solve it, but I don't so I have any mistake, but maybe it is a mistake, then you will be solve it. Okay, this is the last example of this video, and now we can very fast to move end of this chapter. And please try to understand the corona situation, stay at home and fatafat do your work. Okay, bye.